Ready?
Okay.
So, one time my wife and I, we had an apartment in Fort Worth. So one day we're sitting watching TV and my daughter comes running in. Dad, please help, please. "What- What's wrong? What's wrong? She says, I went outside and I saw the cat. She's stuck in the tree and I can't get her down. She needs help. Calm down. It's fine. I'll help. Don't worry. And so I told my wife, um, our dog, will you take him for a walk? I'm sure he needs the restroom. Oh yeah, that's fine. I don't mind. Okay. So they took off. And me and my daughter went outside and we're walking around trying to find the tree. And there's the cat up in the tree. And the cat's sitting there looking very sad. Meow. Meow. Just crying and crying. So I tell my daughter, it's okay. It's fine. I'll go up the tree and I'll bring her back down for you. No problem. Oh, thank you, Dad. It's fine. So I'm looking up at this tree. I walk up to it. And, oh my goodness, it is a big tree. So I just grab it and get my legs around it and start shimmying my way up. Finally, I get on a branch and look around and I see the cat. Meow. Still crying, looking so pitiful. It's okay, so I grab the cat and I pet her, and she's a beautiful cat. Orange all over and has yellow stripes. And even while I'm holding her, she continued to cry, started licking her paws, and I just keep petting her. It's okay, everything's alright, trying to calm her down. So then I start down the tree and I made it to the ground just fine. So I call my daughter over so she can see the cat. Just then my wife comes walking with the dog. The cat turns its head and sees the dog. Then the dog looks up and sees me holding the cat. Starts barking. And the cat gets really scared. All its hair is standing up. And she's yelling at the dog, and the dog's yelling at the cat. And the cat just total freaks out. Scampers up my body, grabs hold of my face with her claws. And there's blood everywhere. And her paws just hooked into my mouth, and there's blood everywhere, and I don't know what to do. My wife starts screaming, and just take the dog. So my daughter runs away crying and screaming. I'm standing there with a cat stuck to my face going, what do I do? So I try like everything I can to get that cat off my face. But nothing is working. And I just keep trying and more blood it's running down my shirt. And so I'm yelling at my wife, take the dog. And she's like, how can I help? So I have an idea. If I just put my head right here on the pavement, maybe I can get the cat off. So I pry it loose, its paw loose from my face, and the cat just runs away. And I'm still covered in blood. That's the end of my story.